We have a beautiful young lady looking to improve her smile. We are looking for a nicer smile curve along the edges of the upper front teeth, a whiter smile and better alignment of the teeth. We chose a natural style and decided to keep the natural asymmetry of the gum line. Our patient was happy with the smile design and gave me informed consent to prepare her teeth. The teeth preparations were super gentle, a very light polish while removing some decay in between the teeth. Once the veneers were ready, we tried the veneers on, and if the patient is happy, I cement the veneers on. All 8 veneers in the bleach 2 colour, the second whitest white. The back surfaces of the veneers clean and glassy smooth. We can see that the original mild crowding of the upper teeth has been improved with the veneers. The upper teeth are now in a nicer alignment in the upper arch curvature. And we have a happy patient. She is very pleased with the result. Please like, subscribe and follow. Thanks for watching. Thank you to my patient. Smile Makeover Volume 43.